If you've ever recorded a video and noticed unwanted black bars, edges, or empty spaces around the frame, don't worry, you can easily fix that. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to crop a video on Windows 10 using Handbrake, a free, open source tool that makes video editing simple, fast, and professional. Let's get started. First, open Handbrake on your computer. If you haven't installed it yet, just head to the official Handbrake website and download the version that matches your system. Once it's installed, launch the program and you'll see a clean, beginner-friendly interface ready to help you adjust your video. Now it's time to import your video. You can do this in two easy ways. Either drag and drop your file directly into the Handbrake window, or click on Open Source in the top left corner and select the video you want to crop. After loading your file, you'll see the video information appear in the program. Next, click on the Dimensions tab. This is where you'll control the size and shape of your video. Under the anamorphic setting, select None. This gives you full freedom to change the video's width and height without Handbrake automatically trying to preserve a specific ratio. Make sure the Keep Aspect Ratio box is checked unless you intentionally want to stretch or squeeze your footage. Now, let's move on to the main part, cropping your video. In the cropping section, open the drop-down and choose Custom. You'll now see 4 fields labeled top, bottom, left, and right. These let you type in exactly how many pixels you want to trim from each side. For instance, if your video has a thin black bar on the top, you can enter a small number like 20 or 30 in the top field. You can preview the crop to make sure everything looks perfect before moving on. Once you're happy with the crop, let's adjust the output settings. Go to the Summary tab and ensure your format is set to MP4, since it's the most compatible for all platforms and devices. Then switch to the Video tab and choose H.264x264 as the video codec. This setting maintains great quality while keeping your file size manageable. If you want to keep things simple, you can also explore the preset section on the right-hand side. Handbrake includes ready-made profiles for YouTube, mobile devices, and general use, so you can pick one that matches your project. Next, decide where you want to save your cropped video. Click Browse at the bottom and select your preferred folder. You can rename your output file here too, which helps if you're working with multiple versions of the same video. When everything is set, click Start Encode at the top. Handbrake will begin processing your file and apply your cropping adjustments. The encoding time can vary depending on the video size and your computer's speed, but Handbrake is usually quick and efficient. Once the encoding is finished, go to your chosen destination folder and check out your new video. You'll notice it now has a perfectly cropped frame, free of those distracting borders or edges, and that's all it takes to crop a video using Handbrake on Windows 10. It's a quick, reliable, and completely free method to clean up your footage and focus attention exactly where you want it. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to explore other Handbrake features, from resizing and compression to format conversion, to make your videos look even better.